Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and sometimes I just don't know when I'm going to have that perfect photo or video op. So it's been awesome to have this super portable phone tripod from First Idea. I absolutely love how compact it is. It folds completely flat, so it has such a small footprint. I can take it with me just about anywhere. It even comes with a magnetic ring in case you need to stick it onto your phone. Now my phone case has that built into it already, so I didn't need it, but my husband's phone could definitely use it. The magnetic connection to my phone is just great, but it's not so strong that it's really hard to take it off my phone. I find it incredible just how adaptable this little tripod is. It folds in so many different ways. I can use it in a wide variety of angles for getting all kinds of video and photo shots, and I can use it with my phone in vertical or landscape mode. I feel so much more prepared for my content creating and just all of the ways that I use my phone throughout my day because of this tripod from First Idea. But that's just my point of view.